Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. Look, I want to look at Workday because it's been putting in a lot of work today. This is a stock that first kind of blew out of this resistance level here. It's a little what I call a pinch and pop. Back here on heavier than average volume after first moving here. So we get a sell-off and then a recoil right off the 20 on twice average volume. Okay, that's institutional buying there. And then the stock stabilizes and then starts marching higher. So institutions are buying the stock again. You look, it's got pretty good volume here. This isn't retail trading taking a position in some goofy stock, but you can see it's been holding above the 50 all the while. Then it runs up here finally at 240 bucks. Institutional desks back off and say, you know what? We might be bidding against ourselves. So maybe we better just let the stock come down a bit before we start buying more of it. And then sure enough, the stock does come down and, well, what do you see? Holding right at the 50-day moving average, then a gap down. Wow, got to get this stock now. So the stock gaps down on a break of the 50-day moving average and immediately corrects itself. So this is a bullish indication, if you ask me. You didn't ask, but if you did, that's what I'll tell you. So we get this big correction, this correction here, and then a correction of the correction. Now we're wiggling and jiggling around here, and then today, bam, off to the races. So I took a position in this stock today. I actually took a call position too, hedged, bull call, actually diagonal spread. How's that? And so the thing is, with volume as heavy as it is, I think it's just a matter of time, a short matter of time, before Workday continues its move higher. So if you're taking this kind of trade, just know the best way to be buying this is on pullbacks to, in this case, the 50-day moving average. And they happen. So don't say, well, I can't afford to wait. Yeah, you can. I think you'll get another pullback here. A little bit of a drifty, maybe. But ultimately, once the stock runs above 240, I really think that this stock has a lot more upside potential. I'm setting an alert for me, so I get it. Okay, that's it. By the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, it's $7. Okay, so give that a shot. I know that you're going to like it, and I'll tell you why. Because we're making money, and isn't that what this is all about? I'll see you.